Welcome to Macroedtech online educational services. We are running revision series for CAT 2024. Initially, we are solving some questions related to quantitative aptitude, and in upcoming days, we will come with LRDI and VRC section. Let's start our discussion with question number 1. This is question from CAT 2023 slot 2. For some positive real number x, if log x base root 3 plus log 25 base x divided by log 0.008 base x equal to 16 by 3, then we have to find the value of log 3x square base 3. We can solve this question with the help of one property. You can see here log x base a log y base a, we can rewrite into this form log x base y. Now we'll solve this question. Now with the help of our property, we can write base argument 25. Further, we can simplify it. Log 25 base 8 by 1000. We can write now we will put an equation log x base root 3 minus 2 by 3 equal to 16 by 3. We will get now x equal to root 3 to power 6. We will get 3 cube, which is equal to 27. Now as per question, we have to find log 3x square base 3. We will put value of x square because we have x equal to 3 to power 3 or 27. So x square 3 to power 6 . So we will get log 3 to power 7 base 3 So with the help of property, we will get answer. Answer is 7. Now question number 2. In a company, 20% of the employees work in the manufacturing department. If the total salary obtained by all the manufacturing employees is 1/6 of the total salary obtained by all the employees in the company, then the ratio of average salary obtained by the manufacturing employees to average salary obtained by the non-manufacturing employees. And we have option A 4:5, 5:6, 5:4 or 6:5. Now we'll solve this question. First of all, take some assumptions. Suppose there are total 100 employees. Out of 100, according to question, 20% of the employees work in manufacturing department. So 20 in manufacturing department and 80 in non-manufacturing, according to question. Now further we'll solve this question. Suppose average salary M and N, M for manufacturing and N for non-manufacturing. And according to question, total employee who are working in manufacturing, their salary is 1/6 of total salary. Now further we will solve. So this will become 100M equal to 80N. Manufacturing to non-manufacturing ratio, (80 divided by 100), or you can take vice versa. It will become 4:5. So M N is 4:5. This is our answer. That's it for today. Please subscribe our channel for daily updates.